Good evening, everyone. Today we have our next set of participants from the Relationship Counseling Certification Program who are here to share their feedback. So who'd like to go first?
I can go first.
Yes. Yes.
I am Ananda and I'm from West Bengal and I am a banker by profession, but I have my newfound passion for this counseling. The first thing I searched the internet and I came across ICHARS. So I enrolled for this relationship counseling 4 days program, and it has been a beautiful journey. Today is the last day we are doing it, and it's been beautiful. Divya has been so kind and so patient with us. She's given us like everything that we need to learn about it. I am just a beginner, I'm novice in this. But yeah, now with this 4 days thing, I am confident enough to handle one client, to take on a client and talk to that person. Yeah, that is a big thing in itself. And from this thing, the main takeaway is that I will be improving on my relationship. It not only helps the clients, it helps you help yourself first. Because I'll be improving my relationship in many fields, I'm for sure. And learning is vast. I have learned so many different concepts from this, which I never knew existed. I've heard about one or two, but there are so many things. These are such new things for me. Thank you, Divya, and thank you, ICHARS, for bringing such concise programs to us.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Ananda. Thank you. Who'd like to go next?
I can go.
Yes, Jyoti.
My name is Jyoti Gujaran, and I have completed my level 1 and level 2 from ICHARS, and I work as a transformative relationship coach. I joined this course specifically for the simple reason that I wanted to add skills in my niche area. After I joined this course, I realized that the course is so well curated, and it definitely added a few more skills and made me more confident on this journey of a relationship coach. Divya was extremely patient, as earlier said, and we had breakout sessions also, where she took us through each and every, you could say, different aspects of a relationship, as to why people get into a relationship, when does a conflict arise, and then most important as to how to resolve a conflict. So this was a definitely well curated program. And Divya, thank you very much for teaching us all the modules very patiently and going through our breakout sessions also. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So Grishma, we're left with you.
Hi everyone, Grishma here. So I'm from Kerala. So I was working as a tax consultant previously, and I joined ICHARS Relationship Counseling course from ICHARS in order to understand more about counseling and psychology, as I'm trying to explore alternate career options. So the relationship counseling session was conducted by Divya ma'am, and the whole course, it was very well structured, and it was very interactive, and especially the breakout sessions where we had to practically apply what we were learning. Those make sure that we understand the concepts better, and the concepts are very clear. So I'm very thankful to ICHARS as well as Divya ma'am, and I'm looking forward to attend more courses from ICHARS. So thank you.
Thank you, Grishma. So that brings us to the end of this batch with the Relationship Counseling Certification Program. So those of you who are watching us online, if you are interested to attend one of these courses, please feel free to visit our website, www.ichars.com, and all details regarding all our workshops and the diploma courses mentioned there. And also the helpline number is mentioned there with whom you can speak to one of our executives who will take you through the entire enrollment process. So see you in one of the courses soon. All right. Thank you so much.